Hey guys, it's Dr. Ivy Branin of Simplicity Health Associates. So we've been talking all about the supplements that I take on a daily basis, and everything I'm recommending you can easily get on FullScript. And in the description of the video, there is a link so that you can access your own FullScript account through us, so you'll save 10% off your first supplement order. So these are all the supplements that I take at bedtime. So first up is alpha lipoic acid. Is the R form. I like the one from uh, Nutrition Fundamentals of Health. I take 2 of these every night. Why do I take it before bed? Because it has to be taken away from food. And why do I take it? So alpha lipoic acid is actually really, really good for fertility. It's also really good for blood sugar. So I take this before bed. Next up is, see, I take 2 of these, which is phosphatidylserine. So it's equivalent of 300 milligrams. I love phosphatidylserine because it's really good for cortisol levels. So it really helps with stress, cognitive function, plus it really helps with sleep maintenance. So sometimes if we're waking up frequently, it's because of cortisol spikes. And I find that phosphatidylserine really helps me get a really good night's sleep. This one is by Vital Nutrients. And then lastly, I take magnesium, also by Vital Nutrients. I really, really love their triple magnesium complex. So it has 3 different types of magnesium. So it has malate, glycinate, and oxide. So this very good combo, one for sleep and stress, muscle recovery. And so that is what I also take right before bed. Basically, all these supplements, specifically the phosphatidylserine and the magnesium, are really ideal to take right before bedtime, specifically if you're really wanting to get a good night's sleep. So that wraps up all the supplements I take in a day. Yes, it's 12 capsules, but this is what I take to maintain my health. And if you're wanting to maybe purchase some of these supplements or any high quality supplements, I highly recommend getting a FullScript account. So easy. The link is in the description of the video, and looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a great night.